Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Jeannie.
We're the co-founders of the Transformative Loving Institute.
So today we want to talk to you about ongoing relationship education as part of your relationship maintenance.
Yeah, we believe that to have a viable long-term relationship where you can reconnect, recommit, repair in your relationship, you need ongoing tools.
Right. So recently, Mark and I took a workshop together called Trauma Release Exercises, TRE. And the reason why we did that is because when we work with couples, we found that at the bottom of a lot of conflicts is attachment style stuff, which is also unresolved trauma. So we wanted to learn more about it and do our own work. And we've now been incorporating this into our relationship and doing these exercises together, and we found it really powerful.
That's right. And so this shared experience of going into a workshop and doing something of value for the both of you sends a message to one another that you care about the relationship and you're willing to invest time and resources into making things better. And I feel like that's really happened for us.
Yeah, so one of the things we say is lifelong learning, lifelong relationship. And if you're going to be in a lifelong relationship together, learning together hopefully is part of it.
Yeah, so we have this great workshop coming up on September 8th. And that's here in Boulder, Colorado. And so we want to invite you to that because this is also a really powerful workshop for you guys to do together. And one of the reasons why is because you come as a couple and you get to maintain a lot of privacy to do interactive exercises between one another, but you also have the group energy there to support you in ongoing growth and development.
So if you want more information, there are some testimonials on our website from people who have been before. And this is the last 2 weeks where you get your early bird special discount, which means you both get to go for the price of one. So it's $197 instead of $397.
Yeah, it's great.
And there's just 2 weeks left on that. So we really encourage you to sign up soon. We're probably not going to repeat this deal again.
Yeah.
But we'd love to see you there.
Yeah, we have the link to the Eventbrite. You can sign right up and I'll, again, check the testimonials out on our website. So
Yep.
Thanks so much for watching this short little video.
Take care.
Bye-bye.